Hello everyone, this is Ashraf from Out of the Box. Today we are going to have a walk through our rice fields. You can see the paddy land. The rice is already harvested and we got a cyclone last week, and we had it was flooding over here. So the rice already harvested, and a few area are flooded. And you can see the climate. It's early morning around 7 a.m. here, and the farmer walking through the way, the footpath in between the rice farm. And the landscape is amazing. You can see the coconut palms and good climate today. And behind these trees there is a mountain, which is one of the biggest mountain in Calicut. Currently we are located in Calicut, inside Calicut, around 15 kilometers far from the city. My village name is Annassery, and we are in northern Kerala of South India. So we go forward. This is not a tourist spot, it's just the nature of my village. You can see a water body here which brings water to all this farming area. It's natural, but they built wall. I mean, the government built this wall with rocks, and normally it will be water in all seasons, but due to rain there is more water. It was a lot of water flooding 3 days ago, but now it's normal. But more in this season, it's summer, at the end of May, it's the peak summer here. Then next week, after a few days, it'll be starting monsoon. So in these days it should be very less of water, but now we had rain, so there are many more water. Yeah. I hope you can hear the voice of birds, many birds, insects, and yeah, fish. We catch fish from this canal and the rice farm. We get snakehead fishes always. And also catfish, different small fishes. So here we go, to cross the bridge. Also this it was rice farm, but and this year nobody farmed rice here, I think, because this year when the season of punja, we say punja for this rice farming season. On this year of punja, at the beginning there was heavy rain, so a lot of people didn't farm, and a lot of people lost their farm the beginning itself. You can see banana. It's Mysore payam. We say Mysore payam. Payam means banana. Mysore banana. So my friend is waiting for me over there. I request you to follow Out of the Box. We just started, and there will be many natural videos soon. You can see coconut. The name Kerala actually derived from coconut, because Kera in our language is coconut, and Ala we can say land or place. So you can say Kerala is land of coconuts. Yeah. So here is Samir, who will go now. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.